And here we are. So ladies and gentlemen, here we are at the park. As you can see, children are playing soccer. Some people are taking a walk around. And this is the public school that I was talking to you about. It's called Nob Hill Public School, which is located at Brimley and Seminole Avenue. It's a very beautiful park, boys and girls. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a beautiful park. You should really check it out. And that should be the end of the tour at Nob Hill Park. And there you go. So see you again later.